How to make sun planet strong? Many of my viewers has requested to make a video of all the planets to make the planet stronger. Of course, there is very certain way to make the planet stronger. There are many ways to make it stronger. Wearing gemstones, chanting mantras, doing some home rituals will make the planet sun stronger. Sun is very important for our life to get a success, as you already know. And in most of the videos, in 90% video, I always say that it is very important planet. Without sun, no one in this earth can get success, whether you believe in or not. If you believe in the planets, that is good. If you don't believe in the religion, then also okay, because religion has nothing to do with the planets, because planets affects each and every human beings in this earth, irrespective of religion, irrespective of caste, irrespective of gender. It affects me, it affects you, it affects everyone who is watching this video. It is positive, negative, both the things are there. Based on the horoscope, based on the palm reading, you should make the planet stronger. But those who have requested me regarding the sun planet, how to make stronger, I am going to discuss this in this video. It will not be a long video, it will be very strong. It will be very small video to give you the explanation. Om Ganeshaya Namah, Bhagavan Shri Satyasvabhaya Namah, Om Suryaya Namah, Om Shanicharaya Namah. Viewers, welcome to my YouTube family. My name is Astrologer Dr. Sai Subhajit. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then I would request you to subscribe it, like it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you always get a future notification of my videos. Now, how to make the sun stronger? As you know, I'll give you a small hint. This is the sun mount. Sun mount. This is the sun line. This is the Apollo finger and sun finger also. Now, when sun mount is prominent, then it gives very good benefit. Now, suppose it is not possible in many cases that it will always be strong, but you have to make it strong or boost the planet. How you can boost it? I have made one video regarding the marking in the hand that you can definitely follow. I will also give you the hint here how to do it. Suppose this is the sun mount. Now you can make a circle like this and also fill up like this with a marker, not with a tattoo. Now, if you make that, it will boost that planet, it will make that planet, it will give more positive energy to the sun planet, positiveness to you. It will benefit you in numerous way. So this is the one remedy that you can do, but you cannot do tattoo. Many people has asked me in a WhatsApp or in email, in Messenger, in YouTube inbox that whether they can make a permanent tattoo or not. No, it is not possible to make a permanent tattoo. You have to do it daily. After taking a bath in the morning, you have to do it. Now, if you don't do this, then also you can chant some mantras. I have posted some mantras in the description, like Om Ram Rem Rom Sa Suryaya Namaha. Then the 12 mantras of Surya, you can do it. Om Mitraya Namah, Om Rabaya Namah, Om Suryaya Namah, Om Bhavaya Namah, Om Kakkhaya Namah, Om Pashnaya Namah, Om Hiranyakabaya Namah, Om Marichaya Namah, Om Savitraya Namah, Arkhaya Namah, Om Bhaskaraya Namah. So these are the 12 names of Surya. I will also give it in the description box so that you can also do it, or you can just search in the Google, you will get it. You will be able to get it. So try to do it. This mantra should be chanted at least for 3 times, and the earlier mantra, Om Ram Rem Rom Sa Suryaya Namaha, this mantra should be chanted for 108 times. If you have less time or lack of time on some day, at least 28 times should be done. If you cannot do that also, then do it 9 times. That will also be beneficial for you. And also do the pranam mantra of Surya. Om Jabakasham Shankasham Kashyapya Mahadatim Tamodim Sarvapavagna Pranatasmi Divakaram. So this is the one of the very effective mantra of Surya to make the planet stronger. I will also post it in the description. You can just check it, and also whenever you want to do this mantra, do the pronunciation very perfectly. You can just search this mantra in the YouTube. You will get the audio file, and you can listen it, do it, and then make it perfectly. Then you will not make any mistake, and the positiveness will be 100%. If the pronunciation is not accurate, not okay, then you will not get that benefit accurately after doing some days also. In general, whatever the mantras you will do, try to do it dedicatedly starting from Sunday and do it from 4 for 40 days consecutively, but if you can do it all through your life, always good for you. Any person, whether their sun is strong or weak, any person can do this mantra in the morning after sunrise. Next is the after getting your bath and in the morning, early morning, you should always offer water to Lord Surya. That is one of the beneficial thing that you can do. Offer water to Lord Surya will boost the planet, and take the blessings of Lord Surya in the morning. Take the rays in the morning, it will give you more boost, more success in your career. So that is another thing. And while giving and offering water to Lord Surya, see that that water should not touch your feet, and also that water should not touch anyone's feet. Try to pour it in a good place. If you are staying in a flat or something like that, try to buy something in plants or something like that, or in a pot, you just offer that water. That will be good. And while chanting that, you can just say Om Suryaya Namah, 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 Om Suryaya Namah 9 times at least. This is the effective one. Now another effective thing that you can do at home only, you should buy kesar, original one, not the food essence kesar, which is added to the biryani or some food for its fragrance or color, not that one, because that will not give you that benefit of what I am saying. You should buy the original saffron. Okay, so try to take a saffron stick a little bit, and then add a few drops of water in it, and after some time apply it to the sun mount. Here in this mount, apply it. Okay, it will be almost yellow like structure, so that will be beneficial, and that is one of the best remedy. All remedies that I have told will give you very long term success, and once you start doing that, you will be able to see the positive thing in your life. Anyone's trying for the government job like a civil service, administrative service, and want to grow in their life, like to be a CEO of any company, or want to be a successful entrepreneur or businessman, definitely sun should be strong. So you have to make this sun stronger. If you cannot do all this, if you want to wear a gemstone, if it is required from your palm reading and from your palm analysis and from the horoscope, then only you should wear it. Try to wear the old Burma ruby, not the new mines ruby, because the new mines ruby are all heated and treated, irrespective of from anywhere you buy. Most of the 99% new Burma ruby or the new Burmese rubies are heated. In the testing report, of course, that will be written as or natural only, but you will, when you check the heating test, you will get able to know that. As per my experience, I can say it's 99% rubies are heated. For that case, what you should wear? You can wear old Burma ruby, and you can also wear Ceylonese ruby. That will be also beneficial for you. So based on the palm strength, sun strength, you should calculate the weight, and as per the horoscope also, if possible, calculate the weight of the stone required, then only you should wear it. So these are the simple remedies that I have mentioned. Hopefully it will be very much beneficial to you. You will get a very good benefit after doing these remedies. If you want a paid consultation from me and want to know your palm analysis and the horoscope analysis, then if you are always welcome to contact me. Contact details are given in the description box. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then I would request you to subscribe it, like it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you always get the future notification of my videos. Stay happy, stay fit. Thank you.